Hey guys, it is the 2nd of August, heading to our land, Tree of Life Farms. We had 13 inches of rain over the last few hours. Whole roads, trees have fallen, whole roads have washed out. It's real. So I'm driving to the place where I did work yesterday. While I was leaving, the skies opened and lots of rain came down. My stuff is by a creek that could be overwhelmed with water. I have no idea what I'm gonna see. So you're part of it. I'm bringing the world into my world. And in about 15-20 minutes, I'm gonna see how things look at Tree of Life Farms.